Today we're going to be looking at BECE 2019 Basic Science Past Question, Question 26. BECE 2019 Basic Science Past Question, Question 26. A typical animal cell differs from a plant cell because of the absence of dash. A. Nucleus, B. Vacuole, C. Cytoplasm, and D. Cellulose cell wall. Now I'm very sure we know what cell is. A cell is the basic unit of what? Of life. Cell is the basic unit of life, and all plants and animals have cells, and these plant and animal cells are not identical, although there are some components of these cells that are identical, but also there are some differences in this cell. And now from our question we have to pick out what a difference, some a characteristic or a component that is found in plants that is not found in what? In animal cell. And so by doing this we are going to be drawing an animal cell. So an animal cell simply look like this. It simply look like this. So you have your what? You have your nucleus. This is the nucleus. Let's assume this is a nucleus. Then you have your what? You have your vacuole. So in an animal cell you have your vacuole, and then you have your what? You have your cytoplasm. This is the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm, and then you also have your what? You have your cell membrane. Note, cell membrane. This is a what? This is an animal cell. Animal cell. You also have other components of this animal cell, but that will not be important in this question. Now for a plant cell, you have a plant cell look like this. A plant cell look like this. Something like this. Something like this. Something like this. For the plant cell, then you have your what? You have your vacuole. You have your nucleus. So here is our what? Our vacuole. This is our what? This is our nucleus. Our nucleus. Then in here is your what? Your cytoplasm. Your cytoplasm. And here is your what? Your cell wall. Cell wall. That's cellulose. Cellulose cell wall. And then here is your what? This is your what? Cell membrane. Now you can see that from this what happened. Cell membrane is common in both what? Plant and animal cell. Your cytoplasm is common in both plant and animal cell. The nucleus is what's common in both plant and animal cell, and the vacuole is common in both plant and animal cell, although the vacuole in the plant cell is larger than that in the animal cell. But then something is absent in the animal cell which is present in the plant cell, and that is the what? Cellulose cell wall. This cellulose cell wall is actually important for the rigidity of plants. It gives them what? Their rigid structure. But in terms of animal cell, it is absent. So, and our question says what? A typical animal cell differs from a plant cell because of the absence of dash. And from our drawing or our diagram here, we see that what? Cellulose cell wall is absent in animal cell but is found in plant cell. And I say is what? Is very important what? For rigidity. It's important for the rigidity of the what? Of the plant cell. So cellulose cell wall is the answer. It is absent in animal cell. Thank you very much. Please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.